Hello, good morning students. How are you all? I hope you are safe, fine and happy at home. Now, tell me one thing. Are you missing the school? Yes, me too missing the school very much. But due to corona crisis, we are missing our studies. But as we know, studies never stop. That's why we are meeting here to begin our studies again. Okay. Now, so let's begin our first lesson. If you got books, see your course book. What is our first lesson? The intelligent humans. So, animals and humans. Animals and humans. Now tell me one thing. Who are more intelligent? Animal or human? Can you suggest the answer? Yes. Very good. Humans. Humans are more intelligent than animals. Why? What is the reason humans are intelligent than the animals? Yes, human can talk, human can think, but animals can't talk and they do not express their thoughts in the words. That's why humans have more advantages than the animals. Do you like pet animals? Yes. Which are the pet animals around you? Cat, cow, then sheep, goat, and your favorite pet animal is what? Dog. All of you like to take care of the dog, na? Yes. Now, your pet animal which are at home that are harm you? Yes or no? Yes. Maybe they can harm you if you are teasing them. They can surely harm you. So don't play with the tail of the animals. Now we are going to start our first lesson. The intelligent human. Put your finger on the line and pay attention in your course book. Okay. Let us start. In a small village near Bhopal lived a boy called Rahul. Rahul lived in the village which is near to Bhopal. He was walking along the path to his farm. Where he go? He went to his farm, and when he came upon a large tiger trapped in a wooden cage. What he saw when he passes through the road to the farm? What he saw? He saw one tiger trapped in a wooden cage. What is a wooden cage? Wooden cage is one type of the box to quarter, which is used to quarter animals. The villager trapped him for stealing a lamb. That night, tiger came to steal a lamb. Lamb is baby sheep. He came to steal a lamb. And what the villagers do? They trapped a cage to quarter tiger. Hey mister, cried tiger as soon as he saw Rahul. I am so thirsty. Please open the gate. I can get a little drink. So when the tiger saw to the Rahul, what he did? He called to the Rahul. Hey Rahul, please free me. I am so thirsty. If you freed me, I can have some water. Rahul was frightened. He got afraid. But he gathered some courage and said, no, never. I didn't do it. I can't be freed you. Then if I freed you, you pounce on me and eat me up. A tiger is the quality of the tiger. He always search his prey what he did? He pounced on it and get started to eat it. So Rahul got afraid and he said to the tiger, never, I didn't feed you. Then what the tiger said? See what the tiger said. What makes you think I would be so ungrateful? I just want to drink the water, that's all. I won't take more than a minute. I promise, he pleaded. The tiger promised to Rahul, if you freed me, I didn't harm you. I am not ungrateful animal. What is the meaning of ungrateful? Ungrateful means forget anyone's help. Okay. Rahul was friendly boy. He just believed on his words and he easily believed the tiger and opened the door to let him out. What the Rahul did? He opened the door of the cage and let him free. Okay. Then instantly sprang on the boy with the idea of eating him. When the Rahul freed to this tiger, what he did? As per his quality, he sprang on the Rahul to eat the Rahul. Then Mr. Stag, you promised me you wouldn't do it. Then Rahul quickly replied to Mr. Straits, you can't do it. You promised me, na? What you promised me? You didn't eat me. Then what are you doing now? Then it is not fair to eat me after I set you free. Now tell me, is it fair to tiger eat to Rahul? No, na. Is it not fair? Tiger already promised to Rahul. Okay, he didn't harm him. Now see what is going on further. I kill a prey for my food. It's perfectly right for me to eat you, Snort Strout. Snort Strips. Snort Strips, what he said? Strips is the name of the tiger. He loudly said, I am always found my prey. What is prey? Prey means food to eat. है ना? Kill anyone for the food is the prey. And tiger has a quality. He always search prey to eat the food. And he thought, is it fair to eat the Rahul? After Rahul wailed for lot of time. What happened? Rahul was already frightened, no? So when tiger said like ungrateful words, Rahul started wailed. What is the meaning of the wail? Wail means started crying loudly. He started crying. Stripes came to conclusion that he would ask the first three people who come along that way. Now, what they think? Now they take one decision. What they decide? They decide to ask three people and get the judgment of their thought. Now they are going to take a judgment of three people who are passing through on this road. First three people who met them. Okay. When they go further, who is the first creature? Who is the first animal passes through this road? Donkey. What is the name of the donkey? Mr. Brave. What is the name of the donkey? Mr. Brave. Then when they saw two donkeys, Rahul called to Mr. Brave. Hey Mr. Brave, come here. Help us. Who said? Rahul. Okay. Now Rahul asked to Mr. Brave, to the donkey, now tell me, I freed to the tiger, to Mr. Stripes, and now he wanted to hit me. Is it fair? Yes or no? We want your judgment. Now Mr. Brave looked up and spoke out strongly. Mr. the way. He might be thinking, what is the question? What he said? What he asked to me? Then he think for a minute and spoke up loudly, spoke up strongly. The farmer forces me to carry heavy loads. What he remember? Mr. Bray remember how the farmer forced him to work. Now, what he said? See, put on your finger on the line. The farmer forces me to carry heavy loads on my back all day under the hot sun. Even though there is a hot sun on ahead of us, then only the farmer carry a heavy load on the back of me. Yes, he doesn't feed me properly and beats me with a stick. He didn't give me a food, water beyond time and properly, and also beat me when I am getting tired. He started beat me to work fast. Even when I am sick, he expects me to work. When I am ill, I am not feeling well, then also he expects to work from me. He wouldn't give me a holiday. है ना? Humans are an ungrateful. All humans are ungrateful. So don't be you. If you also be ungrateful, is it fair? So it up to this Rahul. Who suggests? Mr. Bray suggests to Mr. Stripes to eat the Rahul. Now what happened? Rahul got frightened very much because tiger get so happy and he started licked his lips. Licked means what? हम लोग ऐसे करते हैं ना, ऐसे आपने अगर देखा होगा टाइगर कैसे करता है? licking means licking. अपन मतलब चाटने. He started licking his lips and got ready to eat the Rahul. Wet, that's only one people. Still more to remains. Who said? Rahul. Yes, Rahul said, we just pass one chance. Now we have more two chance in our hand. So then Rahul becomes nervous and go further. Now when they go further, they saw one horse. Who is the next creature? The horse who was lying next to heavy loaded cart. If you see the picture here, there is a heavy loaded cart and this horse is lying next to the cart, means near to the cart. Okay, now go ahead. Rahul walked up her and asked Miss Mary. Now tell me, what is the name of the horse? Miss Mary. And what was the question of them? Which question they had? Then who asked the question to Miss Mary? Yes, Mr. Stripe. Mr. Stripe asked the question to Miss Mary. To Miss Mary, name of the horse. Is it fair to eat the Rahul? He freed me from the cage and now I want to eat him because I am so hungry and I am the tiger. So is it fair to eat the Rahul? Then her back was aching from dragging heavy loads. Miss Mary, now when Rahul and Mr. Stripe asked the question to the Miss Mary, she trying to get because her back is aching. Aching means what? Paining, है ना? हम लोग बोलते हैं ना headache. वैसे back is aching. Aching means paining. Her back is so paining. So he just trying to get up slowly. and strips. There was a time when I was free to roam the forest. Then one day, my master captured me. There are what wonderful days when we are running here and there in the forest. But one day, who is coming? Yes, his master. His master came to the forest and captured the horse. He put a saddle on my back and bridle in my mouth. Now, there are both the words are new for you. Saddle. What is the meaning of saddle? If you saw on the back of the horse, the seating portion which is fixed by the woman. जब आप लोगों ने देखा होगा हॉर्स के पीठ के ऊपर, बैक के ऊपर बैठने के लिए ऐसे सीट की तरह फिक्स किया जाता है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? सीटिंग पोर्शन which is fixed on the back of the horse is called as a saddle. It's called as a saddle. Bridle. What is the meaning of the bridle? Bridle is one rope is fixed to control the horse. हम लोग भी करते हैं ना, अगर हमें एनिमल को कंट्रोल करना है. Horse running very fast. As you know, horse runs very fast. How you could stop him? Yes, that's why you want a bridle, lagan, to control the horse. He rode me hard. Rode means ride. Rode is the past tense of the ride. You know the meaning of the ride? Ride means घूमना, सवारी. I have carried his children and grandchildren on my back, but now that I am old, when that time when I am running fast, I took his children and grandchildren on my back and take him for riding. Okay. Now I am so old and my master didn't give me food properly, and when I am unable to run fast, he give me a new work. He makes me to drag this heavy loaded cart. Today, when I couldn't pull it, now I am too old and I am unable to pull this heavy loaded cart. So he left me here only to die. Oh my God. What a cruel woman. Yes, very true. It's very true. Now, this man is very cruel. I said, let's try. That's why he also never be the favor of the Rahul. He also passes judgment in the favor of the Mr. Stripes. He suggests him to eat the Rahul. Now, what happened with the Rahul? He got too much frightened now. And after getting two judgment in the favor of the Stripes, he got very happy. And he started sharpening his claws on the tree. What are the claws? You know the claws of the tiger? ऐसे होते हैं ना उसके नाखून, उसको वो क्या करने लगा? शार्प करने लगा on the tree. He spoke rapidly. Okay, this was my second chance. Then also Rahul having a hope. Then also he said, we just passed our two chances. Still we have one more chance. Then the Mr. Stripes, he was very hungry and he can't be waited for the third person. Then only he get agreed and go for looking a third person. Then soon they saw a girl with a pail on her head. What is the third person? There is one beautiful girl who is passing through on the road. Pail. Hear the word pail. आपको पता है ना हमारे घर पे आपण म्हणतो पाण्याचा हंडा. Means to fill a water. Okay. Now he took this pail on her head and down on the road. Now Mr. Stripes called her. Hey, come here, help us. Okay, dear child, you are fair of a face. What is your name? What he said, Mr. Stripe said to this girl, you are looking so beautiful. What is your name? Then see what she replied. My name is Raji. It is good to see you both. What she said? What is the name of the third person? Yes, Raji. What is the name of the beautiful girl? Raji. What she said? She also replied to Mr. Steps. I am happy. I am happy to see you both, to see you together. Then Mr. Steps was pleaded and asked to Raji. He started asking his question to the Raji. Now, what is the question? As we know, is it fair to eat the Rahul? He freed me up. Then only I want to eat him. Is it fair? Now, excuse me. What did you say? She acting like a confused. She acting like a confused. Excuse me. What are you saying? क्या बोल रहे हो आप लोग? He asked if it is fair for him to eat when I have just set him free from his cage. She acting just like a confused. Then Rahul came in the scene and he again asked the same question to the Raji. See, I am free to Mr. Steps. Then only he wanted to eat me. Is it fair? Then what the Raji said? See further. What she said? Cage? What cage? Where is the cage? She looking around here and there, but there was no cage. And why not telling about the cage? Then, if there is no cage here, so why should I give you my opinion? Your question is completely wrong. Raji acting confused said, I don't see a cage around. है ना? Then Mr. Steps said, Arey Baba, there is one cage where I trapped. Okay, these villagers had trapped me in the cage and this fool boy Rahul, he freed me up. Again she acting like the confused girl. But when there is no cage here, so why did he free you? You are already free now. Then grrr said Stripes. Now as we know, what is the voice? This is the voice of the tiger. है ना? गुड़ नहीं म्हणतो ना आपण ते. These humans are really dumb. Humans are dumb. Dumb means क्या? होशियार नहीं होते. They are not clever. He thought to himself and began to explain. These humans are really dumb. They want all the scene explained in detail. है ना? And he started explaining the scene. Whatever happened earlier, he started explaining to Raju. Okay? Now I came to the village. When I came in the village to seal the land, these villagers trapped me in the cage and this fool boy Rahul, he freed me up. Now I want to eat him. As I am tiger, I don't have an option. I always search my prey. So I am hungry now and I want to eat Rahul. So tell us, is it fair to eat Rahul or not? Then while Mr. Stripes was talking, Raji somehow led the tiger and the boy to the cage. While talking, they are walking and Now they reach near the cage. Now see what happened further. After reaching there, she took over. Let's start from the beginning. How did you come here? She asked the Rahul. Now, whom she asked the question first? She asked question to Rahul first. Now, tell me, how did you come here? तुम यहाँ पे कैसे आए? I walked down this little path, said Rahul. Now, Rahul ने आंसर किया. He answered, he replied to Raji, I am passing through on this road to my farm and I saw a tiger trapped in the cage. Okay, then. No, I don't think this cage is big enough for you. Raji asked Mr. Strand. I don't think so. This cage is enough for you. Your body is huge and the cage is too small. How can you manage yourself inside the cage? Then I will show you, said Strand, and entered the cage. When Raji asked a question to the Strand, he entered in the cage and started showing how he has managed himself in the little cage, how he managed his huge body in the cage, and he entered in the cage, but still his paws are outside the cage. So again Raja asked the question. No, I am not believing your words, because still your paws are outside the cage. Then why you should not free you yourself? There is no need of Rahul to free you. You are already free. Then Mr. Striper again gets confused and he took his paws inside. And then Raji quickly replied and suggests the Rahul to close the door quickly and fit the bolt of this cage. And now Rahul pushed the door and said like this. Look here and observe how to lock the door, cried Rahul as she shut and bolted the door. Now he bolted the door tightly. So that's it, said Raji, and they start clapping her hands. Now this tiger, Mr. Strand, again trapped in the cage, and Rahul, he take a breath of the relief. Now he getting happy, है ना? Then still Mr. Strand is confused. What happened? How she caught her? The girl is so clever, है ना? Have you understood the story? And now Raji helped to Rahul. Now they are best friends, है ना? As you know, friend in need is indeed. Very good. Have you understood the story? Have you understood how many characters in the story? Rahul, Mr. Strand, donkey, the name of the donkey, Mr. Gray, horse, Miss Mary, and the clever girl, Raji. There are 5 characters in the story. Have you understood? So try to summarize this story in your own word and write it down in your notebook. Okay? Now let us see the vocabulary words. You have to write down vocabulary words in your notebook and also learn it. Okay? I am giving you those words on the board. On the board, you have to write down all vocabulary words in your notebook and also have to learn it. Okay? In our next session, we are going to solve a workbook and activity book and also see a grammar. Now, today's homework. Everyone has to do the homework at home. This is your today's homework. Okay. Read the story again at home and complete the homework. Okay.